Hello everybody, I'm the Snazzy Wizard.
Not Max Red Wolf.
And we're here in space! Or well, we're gonna try and get to space. See, I dabble in this game. I'm proud to say I've at least gotten something to orbit Kerbin. But, old Danny Boy here hasn't.
No, I'm
He's never
touched
touched
this
the
game.
control on this game. So we're gonna see what happens when we let me have the steering wheel. Go ahead.
Alright, let's start the game.
Yes. We're gonna start the game.
Okay. Player name. Wait. Wang Nick Deep. I have an idea. Oh, why is it so quiet?
Because the whole universe is judging you.
Oh, great. We'll do...
That's lame. That's lame.
I'm taking that one. Alright.
And
Start.
Yay!
Science is the way to do
Science.
things.
Although we went to Sandbox and not Science Mode because
Time
Science Mode
warp.
is horrible.
You're a genius. I got it.
Wait. We never...
What? That's not it.
That's
Probably...
not it.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, that's a...
That's not good.
Let's do like 3.
There we go. Awesome. Well, I got
9. Turn it up to 9.
Can you imagine what 100% would be with those birds? Like, they're loud anyway.
Stupid birds make me
Make me
look
look
bad.
bad. Woo! Getting to 3 is so hard. Getting to third base is so hard. Am I right?
Oh.
Heyo.
Oh.
God,
What would you do? Is this like...
Yeah.
Okay, so now what do I do? Now what do I do? You guide me in this.
Okay.
So I
So
click
you see the
this.
big building?
Click
Click
this. This is
You
the...
broke it. You broke it.
No, this is the thing.
You broke it.
Oh, I don't need to talk to you.
Okay.
How do I move this around? Do I do it like...
What are you doing?
How do I...
You gotta get at the heart first, friend.
Oh.
So pick your cockpit.
Cockpit. Oh. Oh. Oh, there we go. Okay.
Click on it, you drag it around.
Oh.
Click it again, set it.
Okay, so now what do we do? Engines.
What do you mean? For engine.
Fuel tanks.
Fuel tanks. Oh, this is looking promising already.
Okay, so now we got that fuel tank. Let's add another fuel tank.
That's not saying fuel.
Let's
That's...
add an engine. What is it? Command? Ooh. Oh.
Okay, so...
Okay.
Now, click the fuel tank. Drag it, click it, and click that. Now, I'm gonna click the part. There you go.
Snap that on. Bam. Alright. Structural. What do I do? Ooh, this looks cool.
All these look like...
Aerodynamics. Alright, so now first, hold on here. So, see, we need some stuff. So, I know. We're gonna go with this. Yes!
Yeah, that's the
Utility,
That's cool.
docking ports, heck yes. Science, freaking aerodynamic, yes.
Because I know
So what are the one things that hold it up? I'm trying to... Oh, there. Okay, so we need like a whole bunch of them. Okay, now how do I like set them to the right thing? Is it this thing? Yeah.
you want those at the same time.
I know.
Fire engine and fire. Yeah, like don't move. I just said you want them at the same
I
time.
know, but okay, so is this is them? Like just go 0 and 1, or just go 1?
1, 0.
Okay,
But
so
no, you don't want your engine to go first.
I know that's why I was like, how do I?
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to put that down to 1
Why?
because Because I want these
Because
to
you
go
want us
first.
to let go this to drop, and then your engine to go?
Okay, so then engine go first then.
No, just have them both go at the same time, because
Okay.
it will ding.
Okay, fine.
Name it.
Alright, let's name it. Let's name it the...
USS Deep Wing. USSR Deep Wing. Please.
You can't.
One. No.
Okay, let's do this. How do we do this?
There you go.
Launch. Okay, now how do I do things? This is space.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so
Okay, focus. Please don't explode.
Exclamation point. One. Okay. So to throttle up, you hold down shift. Then controls the throttle on your. There's Jebediah. His life depends on you. You don't have any parachutes, by the way.
Oh, I forgot that. Sorry,
To shift
Jebediah.
down, you hit control, and you go back up, and that
That controls your.
the engine.
Yeah. Okay.
Now,
Press space.
if you hit space, it'll go.
Oh.
Really just off of working way better than most.
Okay, so how do I move this? WASD.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is. Oh, it's slightly.
Oh no.
Oh no! Jim, leave! Leave, Jim! Okay.
No.
So what I like to do is have with you, like, what are you doing? Jim, no!
Oh no!
Jim, no!
Oh no!
Jim, no!
Oh no!
Oh,
Oh no!
damn.
Oh no! Oh no!
Okay.
He's spinning down. Well, let's try to get him to land without parachute. Let's try. Okay, so
Your first flight, and you're going for something pretty low. You just cut the engines.
I know, but we need to save fuel.
It is kind of bottom heavy, right? You don't have enough engines to really support it. So,
Come on.
you're going to need to put that. It's okay.
Come on. Come on.
I was going to say, you're going to fall into fuel tanks, but everything else.
Come on.
I'm super pissed because this is already landing better than my That is an amazing effect. I've never seen that.
It
I think you
landed.
broke the engine, but it landed. So now,
Yeah, I broke it.
So now what you gotta do
Is,
now go up. With your mouth. Up. Recover. Daniel, what are you doing?
I don't know, I'm just kidding.
Daniel, what are you doing?
I don't know. It's just it's like help, I don't know what to do.
Okay. So maybe that option is not
Abort,
available.
abort.
Oh, wait, hang on, do I have to turn that off first? No. No, stop. Okay, fine. I guess you just have to revert. I don't know why he's doing that.
He's dancing.
Leave before Jeb dies. I'm gonna be so pissed at you if Jeb dies. Daniel, just revert it, I said.
How?
Just revert it.
How?
The pause menu.
Oh.
There. Revert to assembly.
Okay.
I think I know why it didn't let you get it back, by the way. You didn't use an actual space module. You're using a plane.
Okay, so here's what we need to do. We need to fix this.
Yes.
So here's
So,
we
do
need
you want me to give you like a base forklift?
No, I got this, don't worry about it. Now where's the parachutes?
I'm not telling you until you get a proper cockpit.
No, just tell me where the parachutes
Get a proper cockpit so we can actually get the plane back.
Okay, fine. Here. Where's the undo button? Undo. Need to undo.
Freaking Microsoft Word!
It should be.
Undo!
Fine. Okay, fine. See, here we
Yeah. And you're literally making it from scratch.
go. Restart.
Oh, okay.
I can find this.
Yeah.
Okay. Now here we have to make a
Command pod.
Let's get
Yes.
That's a
You
ton.
have two.
Oops. There you go.
Okay. So maybe not the command pod.
Maybe fuel tanks.
Maybe not the command box.
Fine.
Maybe not.
Fine. Okay. Oh.
Pick up the box now.
Try.
You gotta be smarter with the box. Here, you wanna zoom in?
It's not like anything. It's not.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I don't-
Stop.
What
Get
did
the
I?
box.
I'm trying to go.
Get the box.
What did I do
Get
again?
on the pods. You can't go back to the pods if you're on the pods.
Oh, I'm on the pods.
Yes.
There we go.
There.
Okay, there.
Delete the cube. Get rid of the space plane.
That's better.
Get like some. No. Space plane. No. Space plane.
Is this a space plane?
That's a space plane. Don't get a space plane is one thing.
It says space plane.
Because those were space. Take that.
No.
Take it.
Hold on. Okay.
Daniel, get rid of it.
Wait,
right
is
now.
it command C? Yeah.
Yeah, no, a Kerbal Zuna literally sit outside of your space plane.
I kind of want that to happen.
You can, okay, get like a proper spaceship.
What? Like this?
No.
How
Like
about
that one's fine.
Okay. So now where is
Pretty sure.
Where is the?
Pretty sure that's fine.
Where is this?
What?
Where is the parachute?
The parachute. That's in the survivability round. Utility. You just pass them. Pass them. Just pass them. Come down. Pass them. There you go.
Okay.
Oh,
Now I'm gonna start some of my
Oh, yes.
some of my own creations.
Okay.
Where are the fields? Oh yes. Okay.
Oh my God.
First we need to outline you.
I feel like it's a bit too tiny for what you're building here.
And trust me, everything makes it like.
Just keep it circular. Keep it circular.
How far can we go on this?
Oh, you can click like to 8.
Alright, so.
No.
Yes.
You at least get the space, friend.
How about?
Yeah, at least get the space.
I know. Trust me, we're gonna get to this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Now we need to raise it up. We need to add engine.
Okay.
I can't see the
What are you doing?
I need to move them.
Why?
Because I can't see. Alright, engines.
Okay.
What do you do?
That's a Rhino. It's a big engine. It's for big boys.
Actually, no.
It's bigger than your fuel tank.
I'm curious to see what would happen.
That would, no, it would die. It would die. That's when you have a failed mission.
No.
Just use the Rhino.
No.
Just use the Rhino. Look, it's fine.
Okay.
Gotta turn it back to 8.
Dang it.
This is an inspirational gameplay.
This is. Alright, there. Now we need to add
Get a bigger engine.
scripts right now.
Now I feel like that choice was a bad idea.
Now it's even more right now.
Yeah. You don't. It's not how you solve. I'm gonna really piss off if this works.
Now,
Because I built like such intricate design and like multiple stages of rockets.
okay, so okay.
So now you need to go strut it together.
Yeah, where are they?
Instructors, crane,
Oh, crane, like cereal.
and yeah,
What did I just
you
do?
broke everything. You need to go back and pick a strut every time. Pick,
Oh,
and go, and then pick another strut. There you go. Yeah. strut. Don't forget to strut them to the interior as well. From the top. From the top, right? From the top of the fuel tanks. I mean, the giant silver empty. I mean, the strut there and go there. Like you managed to do
Like this.
yes.
Oh.
But you didn't do it. You broke everything.
Okay, so now
So now you need to get aerodynamics.
we also need this.
Yes.
Because we need a crap ton of these, let me tell you. How am I? Oh, that's gonna blow.
Do you see how tiny the curve holes are compared to your spacecraft?
Yeah, I know. Trust me, we're gonna go bankrupt.
So I guess we're gonna come to the thing with rocket ship.
Yeah.
It's bigger than Russia, friend.
Oh, yes. Okay, so we need to make those wings.
Disappear. Those wings need to disappear.
That's pretty good, actually. Oh, you want to go big?
Your astronauts are gonna just. Now they're gonna say you're overcompensating for something.
Oh yeah.
This needs to be the that needs to be the name of the spacecraft. The overcompensator.
No, it's gonna blow up.
That's gonna blow up. So get them nose cones.
Actually,
I am of the opinion that this is gonna blow up anyway.
what?
Ooh, You're taking a swim. Take a swim.
Da, da, da.
Yeah, just kind of levitate it above the fuel tanks, and it'll like snap into place for you.
What snap there?
There you go.
Okay, now we see.
Those are way too tiny of nose cone, but whatever.
Let's just see it.
There we go.
Try not to laugh because it almost up.
Oh,
Yeah.
This looks. The leak is out in our backspace. That's how you do it. Pins, whatever. Okay. Save it and launch.
Alright, let's see.
I cannot wait to see my computer break things.
This is gonna be funny.
There's no frame rate.
Oh, I'm sorry to whoever's gonna watch this. This is gonna be funny though. Alright, here we go. Shift. Yes, okay.
You're gonna need to be full throttle on takeoff. I'm gonna be so pissed off when this works. It's so heavy. The rhinos are. Oh.
Look at their faces.
No, Daniel, your parachute activated.
Oh no.
You forgot to move the parachute.
Oh my god! They're chugging it up. It's like a They're laughing at us.
They're having a heyday. They're shooting the breeze.
Okay.
You killed everyone below you. If there was a small town anywhere for like 10 miles,
looks like it's up. Let's see what's up
it's
this.
still blowing up.
Looks like it's up to Jebediah, Bill, and Bob Kermit to.
Oh my god.
So-
There's your starting point.
Feet.
Swapped out. See, you
There
need
you go.
a spacecraft one.
Oh
That's the way
man.
to speak as well.
Oh no.
We're ready. Ready to go.
Alright, let's do this again.
Where was Valentina? I only saw 3 people.
I don't know.
Why was there like 8?
I don't know. Okay, so it looks like we need to fix this. So.
Maybe put a plus and everything but the parachute down. Maybe. Okay.
Come on. Ah, no.
That. Hey. You have to expand it. Click it. Click it. Now, I'm down.
It's so weird though.
showing you.
There's one not selected.
No, go.
Rogo?
Yes. There's 8 non-selected friends. Not one. There you go.
Well,
And those need to come out. Click. And it's showing you the exact number that you have. Before you move them. Okay. What are you doing? Stop.
put it up.
Oh my god. They all happen at the same time. It doesn't matter.
What? Oh, okay. Hold on here. Before we do that, there's something I wanted to add. Oh yeah. Yes. Why can't I touch it? Oh yeah. Wait, can we zoom in on this?
Yeah, shit. Shit.
Yes.
The other astronauts are going to be sitting in the cockpit.
That was going to be one guy.
There's going to be one guy on the parachute. No. Cancel. There you go. 8. Get 8. There you go. Now push those. No, they're still there. Good job.
I need to fix this.
Stop with that.
I need to fix it.
No, just save it.
Okay, save.
And now launch.
Launch.
Hopefully
Alright.
this.
So if I press space again, then it'll add the parachute. Like if I press it once,
Yes.
then press it again, space for parachute.
Yes.
Alright.
It's called staging.
Oh, I thought it went off.
I thought it lit. Something dropped and blew up.
Alright, guys, you ready?
It's
The
speaking.
overcompensated go!
What's wrong? You're not gonna get off the ground. There we
Forgot
go.
about full throttle. They're happy. They're happy. Ever done a build one?
There this is.
Oh.
You should stay straight. There's somebody in that chair.
Let's see. No.
Thank God.
Well, we have a chair just in case. They're gonna overheat though. I knew that. Or I not knew that. I know that.
This thing is it's going so fast, but it's so freaking heavy.
Come on, we can make it to space at
Bill
least.
knows what's going on.
I know. He's like, oh god. And, yeah, Bill and Bob. Bob doesn't care.
So to compensate for the aircraft, you want to kind of tilt. You want to kind of tilt to compensate for the aircraft thing. Because going straight up into our atmosphere is a bad idea.
Tilt it. Tilt it. See, Jebediah knows what's going on. What?
I think something broke. I thought I heard something break.
We're gonna get into space.
We don't know where space. See that? There's no color.
Yeah.
That's where space is.
Yeah, we're nowhere near space.
Actually, I think you're probably reaching your mark. At least you know you'll get it now. Yep. Let's see. Zoom in. You.
What hit the ground?
Space. You're going.
Oh, where are
We're not to put heat shields.
Oh, well, we're gonna. Well, oh, yeah, we're gonna explode.
Well, I mean, your exit. That means you're entering the atmosphere.
Yeah,
You do understand that you only have one parachute for this giant looking machine, right?
yeah. What? Yeah. Let's see.
Oh, it hurts.
Oh, it's hurting your computer real bad.
My computer is dying. My computer is just not the business.
Got it.
Once. It's awful.
Oh god. Dylan, you're gonna do my cripples.
Oh no, they're already doomed. They're in space now, friend.
Come on.
No, you're in space. Dana, you are in space.
So, looks like this fails.
See, you don't actually have any modules to prevent this.
Yeah, I know. They don't have any
Look at
gyroscopes.
those engines. Yeah.
Wait for it. Yeah, we're in space.
Yeah, you are in space.
Alright, now there's only one thing that we need to do.
Yeah. Let's deploy your parachute. And it will automatically deploy. Hey, space music, you made it to space!
We made it to space.
Space.
And Dylan didn't even believe in the overcompensator.
Yeah, see, I'll believe it when it lands.
I will laugh if it lands.
If it lands perfectly, if that one parachute
Saves the whole
saves
thing.
the entire thing, I'm going to stab you.
Don't.
I'm going to stab you.
Made it to 93,000.
This is pissing me off because I make complex machines that fit go smart.
Yeah, see, all you gotta do is just gotta believe.
No.
See, Bill, Bob, and Jebediah, they know what's
I
going
think
on.
this is why the Soviets didn't make it into space. Is their idea of we're gonna strap rockets to everything.
Yeah. See, this worked.
Did you see that game like where it was like a giraffe's neck stretching?
No,
It was hilarious.
so beautiful. Why?
Because it's a cinematic little lovely scene.
Yay! Can I have one move out?
You're not confident in design?
No, I'm saying, can I have like walk
Oh
around?
yeah, you can have it outside.
But that requires a ladder, doesn't it?
No, you can go outside.
Yeah, but they're gonna just float around forever. I'm not
you're
stupid.
spinning so quickly they're just gonna fling up.
I want to see that. Who do I want to kill? How about Bill? Because Bill's, he never believed in this
He's
adventure.
innocent. No, he's a realist. Go with mom.
No.
Don't kill Jeff. You can't kill Jeff.
Jeff, he believed in this the whole
Kill
time.
mom.
Oh, Bob's cool. Bill.
Listen,
Wait. You can see the car right behind him.
Yeah. Isn't that great? There's like 4 people in that.
Where's he going?
Click on the arrow. Click the arrow, dude. Click the arrow. Click the arrow. Oh, that's my brother. Let's kill her.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, so how do I do it? Eva?
Easy, Eva. There she is.
Let's check him in. What's your face like? Oh, I feel kind of bad.
I know. This is hilarious. Go kill Bob now so she has a friend. Go kill Bob now so she has a friend.
But how do I go back? How do I go back? Why did you never do this?
Click it.
So targeted.
There you go. Target overconfidence. Zoom in. Zoom. Why is it still her?
I know.
Okay.
Shift click, Shift Z,
How do we stop
X,
this?
M.
I don't know.
What's going on?
Kill Bob.
Intersect. What's going to intersect?
What? I think.
Is it a meteor?
No, I think. They're gonna switch to. There you go. There we go. Kill Bob now.
Oh.
I think Slender got him. Kill Bob.
He's stuck.
He's stuck.
He's stuck.
He's holding on.
Oh, Bob, I believe you.
I believe you, Bob.
So how do I make him move around? Oh no, I think.
But I think you need to like go down first to get him next to like or jump. There's space.
I want him to get into that seat.
Let's see. Up there. There's no way. He does have a jetpack though, which you can move around with.
Oh, beast aboard.
Yeah. I think you're.
I believe you.
That's space.
No, he's gonna jump.
Well, what's the jetpack controls? I don't know what the jetpack controls are.
I don't want Bob and Bill to die.
I don't want Bob to die.
No! Grab it!
No! Stop.
Grab! Never let go! Never let go, Jay!
Use the plane.
No! Forward! No, you don't let me go! No! Forward in there! No! No!
Sacrifice.
No! I don't want him to die. I don't want him to die.
Why? You killed the.
No one cares about her.
Wow. You realize if you don't kill her, I'm like sexist asshole. Sexist asshole, right?
I'll use my jetpack. I want
I
it.
don't know how to use your jetpack. My camera like feel like the arrow keys? No, I'm using
Stuffs and keys.
No, those fake keys. Make sure one has light. Here's a flashlight.
D-R. That's R!
So I could think hit R.
Yeah, R stabilizes him.
Okay, there you go. Now you get to the seat.
How do I...
Better hurry up, try to
How do I get up there?
Space. Space should increase your height.
Ship control?
Look at it. Shift goes up.
Okay.
Oh, control. I forgot we're in space. Go forward, Nick. Go forward. Okay. Slow down.
He's gonna get hit.
Okay, so I'm the elevation and Daniel is the direction.
Oh god. Go down.
It's down. Control. Okay.
Go down. We're almost there. We're almost there. He's gonna get in friends. We're gonna do it.
He's gonna do it. We still have to kill him.
Well, maybe we can get the lady back. Get in there! Get in there! Press F! I'm pressing F!
It's too late.
Just...
These people need him.
Ah!
People need him.
Wait, I'm going down.
No.
Oh, God, no! I want to see those.
Dude, it's still hours away.
Where
It's
is
gonna
it?
fall like right over here.
Zoom in for the open cut.
There's Valentina and Bob. Go skip on over to Valentina.
Why don't I find it? Oh, there it is. So, which two?
Dude, we're still a long ways away from this.
I know. Alright,
Let's get on to Valentina.
alright, Bob. Where's Valentina? Where's Valentina?
Okay, so let's get it on.
Okay.
R. Okay.
Okay.
He's
He's like, we're coming to you, Bob.
We're coming, Bob. Our love interest.
Yeah, this is the love interest.
This is a love story.
No,
This is true.
they're
I would not go through space to find somebody.
Oh, we're making it. We're going to the distance.
1,000 meters.
900 meters.
100 meters.
800
Unless I just do
meters.
this.
No.
Just go straight down.
No. Come on.
Let's go to Earth. No, I can't.
You can't say.
Oh god, he's going fast. Bob?
Bob!
Bob, are you okay?
You were the other I was like, no, let's just slow him down first. Okay, press space, there we go.
Okay, where is he? Okay, you need to like point towards Valentina.
Where is
There's
Valentina?
Valentina.
Oh, there she is.
Stop faster. So you need to start hitting.
I'm just pressing. Oh, because she's not balanced though.
No, Bob's not balanced. He's not going. You know, actually, we should probably go switch back to the spacecraft because he's gonna die. No, it's slow down.
Okay. Switch to.
Could start heading towards her and then slow down. Wait, that's Valentina.
Yeah, I know.
Select Valentina.
I know. I'm trying to. Why are you doing that?
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to go forward. It won't let me.
Stop doing spacebar.
I'm not. See, look.
What are you doing?
I don't. Oh, I'm pressing Q. I'm just like, why is it not working?
Q turns it rotationally.
I know. See, like, oh no, I can't.
Don't do it anymore. We gotta get the bomb. It's at the over. It's 7.2 kilometers. It's at the overcomes. I think he's gonna do it.
Oh.
He's gonna die. No, it looks so much closer.
No, it's got a lot of
It's got a
time.
lot. Wait, they don't look like the Earth. They're curved. Look back at Earth.
Oh, they're going down.
So
warp here.
Stop! Stop!
It's rockets, you boys!
Wait, what?
No!
Wait, no, I think it's okay, map. Oh, we can't switch vessels while we're in the atmosphere.
We need to head towards it now. Where is it? Where is the overcompensator?
Lower because it's falling faster than you. There's Bob.
There it is.
There it is.
Okay, go down. We need to go down.
Okay, down.
No, oh god.
I think it hit. I think it's dead.
That's shit. It's gone. Oh!
Oh no, she has health. Oh no, she has health, Dan.
Oh my god. She survived it.
Oh my
What?
Valentina Kerbal.
She's gonna survive going down. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Bob didn't survive.
He didn't.
No.
Because he smacked into the earth.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's so metal.
That's so Here's the thing, Valentina is more badass though, because she like,
oh yeah.
She was rocketing downwards even.
Oh man, that's awesome.
This is amazing.
Valentina.
This is the best game.
Yeah. I need to get this.
No, you definitely need to get this. Especially now that we have a series.
Oh man. Just peacefully going down. Oh my god, this is such a long way.
Because she's not peacefully going down, she's going down quite fast.
Oh man. So Gemma died and Bob died.
Everyone died.
Except for Valentina. Look at her face! Her big face, look at that!
That's amazing.
That's a face only a mother could love.
Well, kind of, because she's going like 1,000 meters a second.
She's like,
She's like,
I was thrilled to die. I really hope that you're gonna be able to.
No, look at her face again. What if you saw her just break the atmosphere and she's like, and that's how I stay alive with my YouTube face.
What?
You ever see those commercials?
Yes.
When they're like completely random.
Wait, no.
What?
It's not working. No!
Spinner?
No! I tried doing that.
What if we just do the... Oh, she just...
Did she refill?
Free-fall.
Did she refill?
No, she can't. She doesn't have any. Laura just brings up the control. Oh, we're in death zone now.
Poor Valentina. I want to see her fall.
I want to see her smack into the air.
This would be the end of the episode.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
This is a long one, but I'm so totally glad it did.
Oh my god, this was amazing. See the overcompensator.
Killed 4 people.
Maybe 5. Oh. It's dangerous.
Look straight down. Oh, you're so screwed.
Oh no.
Is your face still happy?
Yeah. I'm gonna make it.
Happy to the end. What are you doing?
But they're doing a rebel today.
And she just flies away. Oh man. Oh my god, it's getting closer so fast. I don't want.
I'm gonna watch this.
Ready to go.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. She sucked the gas. Oh my god.
She's still smiling.
I think she's alive. No, she's
Oh
dead.
my god, I think she's dead.
No, she's alive.
I think she's dead.
No, look at her face.
I think she's dead. I think you need to recover vessel. Oh god.
Who's died?
Who died?
Did everyone die?
Everyone
I
died.
think everyone died. Oh my god!
flung from a spacecraft, did a space flight, was pushing down through the atmosphere.
Got burned up in the atmosphere.
Not through vessel.
Smacked into the
And she
earth.
survived like a 20,000-foot drop with like no parachutes or anything.
Fell into the ocean.
It's so metal.
Oh my. What's this? What is this?
Oh, no, that's where you track your missions.
Go back.
Like you can make a moon base and everything.
Oh my god.
We can actually start like mining there.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh man, that was beautiful. Alright.
So, that's all the time we have for today.
Oh my god.
I'm always a Sandy.
And I'm Max Wolf.
And thank you for watching, and we'll see you the next time around.
Bye bye.
See you then.